Have you ever stepped on the scale and thought, wait a second, where did those extra pounds come from? You didn't eat more than usual. You didn't change anything. So, what's happening? Most of us have been there. The dreaded weight gain that sneaks up on us without warning. And even when we try to lose it, cutting calories, hitting the gym, it often comes right back. Sound familiar? Why is it that most diets work at first, but then completely fail in the long run? I get it. I've personally experienced the roller coaster of losing and regaining 50 pounds, and trust me, I know how frustrating it can be. Did you know that 90% of people regain all the weight they lose? So, what's going wrong? The weight loss industry is huge. Millions of dollars poured into diets, supplements, and fitness plans. Yet, research shows that 90% of people regain all the weight they lost. Sometimes even more. What if I told you that you don't have to starve yourself to lose weight? So, what's the real secret to keeping the weight off? It's not extreme dieting. It's not starving yourself. The answer is changing what you eat, not just how much. Why do processed foods keep us hooked? And how can we break free? Nutrient-rich foods, what I call the world's healthiest foods, are the key to sustainable weight loss. These foods nourish your body, keep you full, and actually help you lose weight without feeling deprived. Wouldn't it be amazing if losing weight felt natural and effortless? When you start eating better, something amazing happens. Your cravings for sugary, salty, and fatty processed foods start to fade. In just 2 weeks, you'll actually prefer the crispiness of fresh salads, the natural sweetness of berries, and the rich flavor of real, wholesome foods. That's why I created a healthy weight loss eating plan, a simple, 4-week guide to help you break free from dieting and finally lose weight in a way that lasts. This isn't just about losing weight. It's about improving your health. When I made the switch to nutrient-rich foods, I lost 50 pounds without dieting. And I've kept it off for over 10 years. And guess what? So can you. Healthy weight loss and improved health. Excess weight isn't just a cosmetic issue, it's a serious health risk. Carrying extra fat, especially around the midsection, significantly increases the likelihood of developing conditions like high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and elevated blood sugar levels. But here's the good news. Many people who have embraced the world's healthiest foods not only shed excess weight, but also saw dramatic improvements in their overall health. And the science backs this up. Studies show that chronic preventable conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even stroke are directly linked to excess weight. Just take this staggering fact. Experts estimate that half of all type 2 diabetes cases could be prevented simply by controlling obesity. That means the key to better health isn't found in crash diets or extreme restrictions. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods. So, what if the secret to weight loss and disease prevention isn't about eating less, but about eating better? Healthy weight loss and increased energy levels. What if I told you that losing weight isn't about obsessively counting calories? Many people who switched to the world's healthiest foods discovered that they could lose weight without feeling deprived, without sacrificing enjoyment, energy, or satisfaction. In fact, they reported feeling more vibrant and energetic than ever before. And here's why. Your body needs energy every second of the day, not just to move, but to breathe, pump blood, regulate body temperature, and carry out every essential function. When you're constantly feeling sluggish or fatigued, it's often a sign that your metabolism needs better support. And that's where real nutrition comes in. Metabolism is simply the rate at which your body burns energy. A healthy metabolism is the secret to not just burning fat efficiently, but also feeling energized and alive throughout the day. But here's the catch. A sluggish metabolism isn't fixed by eating less. It's fueled by eating the right foods. The world's healthiest foods provide the perfect nutritional support to fire up your metabolism, thanks to key nutrients like protein, fuels muscle and boosts calorie burning, magnesium and iron, essential for energy production, Sulfur-containing compounds support detoxification and metabolism. B vitamins, B1, B6, B2, B3, B5, B6 help convert food into fuel. So if you've been struggling with low energy and stubborn weight, the problem isn't your willpower, it's your fuel source. Switch to nutrient-dense foods and you won't just lose weight, you'll gain a whole new level of energy and vitality. Healthy weight loss and the healthiest way of cooking. Let's be honest, most weight loss diets feel like punishment. They strip away the joy of eating, forcing you to follow a rigid plan made by someone else. You're handed pre-packaged meals, told what you can't eat, and expected to give up the flavors and foods you love, all for the promise of losing weight. But here's the truth. Sustainable weight loss doesn't come from restriction. It comes from transformation. I've spent years perfecting cooking methods that make the world's healthiest foods delicious. Because, let's face it, if your food doesn't taste good, you won't stick with it. No matter how nutritious a meal is, if it feels like a chore to eat, it won't become a lifestyle. That's why I believe the best way to lose weight isn't by surrendering control to a diet plan. It's by taking control of your own kitchen. When I lost weight, I did it by choosing, preparing, and cooking my own meals, and you can too. Not only will you lose weight naturally, but you'll also save money. Cooking at home is far cheaper than buying expensive diet foods. Enjoy real food. No more bland, artificial-tasting, highly processed meals. Make healthy eating a lifestyle, not a temporary, unsustainable diet. That's why I developed the healthiest way of cooking, a method that makes preparing nutrient-rich, great-tasting meals simple and enjoyable. With hundreds of easy, delicious recipes, eating for weight loss doesn't feel like a sacrifice. It feels natural. Because the real secret to lasting weight loss, loving the food that loves you back. Healthy weight loss without dieting. What if I told you that you could lose weight effortlessly, without counting calories, starving yourself, or following a strict diet plan? Sounds too good to be true, right? But that's exactly what so many people have discovered with the world's healthiest foods. I was amazed by the stories readers shared. Without even trying, they watched extra pounds melt away. At first, I thought these results were just a coincidence. But as I read more and more letters, I realized something powerful. Healthy weight loss and improved health go hand in hand. These success stories became the foundation for what I share with you now, a way to lose weight naturally without restrictive dieting. Here's the truth. Losing weight isn't about following a short-term diet that forces you to see food as the enemy. It's about embracing a healthier way of eating, one that's enjoyable, sustainable, and truly nourishing. People who made the switch to world's healthiest foods didn't feel deprived. They didn't obsess over every bite. Instead, they naturally lost weight by eating a variety of nutrient-rich, delicious foods, cooking in a way that enhances flavor while preserving nutrients, focusing on health, not restriction. This isn't a diet. It's a delicious, sustainable way to lose weight while actually loving the food you eat. So forget the struggle. Forget the fads. Healthy weight loss is not just possible. It's easier than you think. What is the secret of healthy weight loss? So by now, you might be wondering, what makes the world's healthiest foods so effective for long-lasting weight loss, vibrant health, and boundless energy? The answer is actually quite simple. Nutrient-rich foods. Think of it this way. More nutrients plus fewer calories equals to a healthier, leaner you. The world's healthiest foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, all while being low in calories. This is what I call nutrient richness, and it's the key to why so many people lost weight effortlessly. On the other hand, most processed, refined, and fast foods are nutrient poor. They deliver a ton of calories, but almost no real nutrition. And that's exactly why they lead to weight gain and health problems. But here's where it gets exciting. When you fill your plate with nutrient-rich foods, your body gets exactly what it needs without excess calories. That means you feel satisfied and full. without overeating. Your body naturally reaches its ideal weight without strict dieting. You gain more energy, clearer skin, and better digestion, effortlessly. It's not just about cutting calories. It's about giving your body the right kind of calories, ones that fuel your metabolism, keep cravings in check, and provide lasting energy. And here's the best part. The more you eat these foods, the better they taste. So, if you're ready for a real lasting transformation, nutrient-rich foods are the ultimate game changer. They're the new force for change, the key to a healthier, happier, and slimmer you. And that wraps up part 1 of our journey to healthy, effortless weight loss with the world's healthiest foods. But we're just getting started. There's so much more to uncover. To dive deeper into the secrets of natural weight loss, boosting energy, and eating for optimal health, check out the playlist link in the description for the rest of this series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next part. See you there. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.